Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook name. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Facebook application, and first of all you can go to your profile, click on this three lines, then you have to click on the settings icon. Okay, and after that you have to go to the account center, and in this account center you will be able to change your Facebook name. You can click on profiles, then you have to select your Facebook account, then here you can change your name. Just click on name, and you can add your first name, middle name, and last name, and after that you just need to click on this review change. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our Facebook name. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.